to be a part of this beautiful day, the annual Karbi Anglong Day celebration. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for having me once again. And without wasting any time, I'll move on to the next song. Are you ready to rock and roll with me? जागी सोई रहूं, खोई खोई रहूं, उसकी यादों में, उसके ख्वाबों में, क्योंकि crazy sexy lady on the floor, keeps you coming back for more. Sexy. इश्क है प्यार अंजामों जो मैं हाथ लगाऊं दिल में तेरे फिक्र में जाने सारी Thank you guys, thank you. And bro, so sorry guys. एक थोड़ा सा प्रॉब्लम है हमको ना ये मॉनिटर्स में सुनाई नहीं दे रहा अपना ये थोड़ा सा गैस सॉरी आज साउंड चेक के लिए एक्चुअली हम लोग 2-3 दिन से रुका हुआ था लेकिन हमको शाम को ही समय मिले एंड फॉर एन बैंड टू परफॉर्म साउंड चेक करना बहुत ही ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट होता है तो आज सुबह भी हमको आया था लेकिन हमको मौका नहीं मिला तो अभी थोड़ा पहले हमको मौका मिला था तो इतना नहीं कर पाए हम लोग ओनली 25 मिनट्स ऐसा कुछ मिला था तो कुछ गलती हो सकता है गाइस प्लीज़ डू एक्सक्यूज मी ओके I will sing my song as well. जो जग से कहना जाए मुझको बस तुझसे कहना जी Sing it guys सोना सोना इतना भी कैसे तू सोना सोना इतना भी कैसे तू सोना तेरे इश्क में जोगी सब साथ में सोना इतना से तू तेरे इश्क में जोगी होना मेरी धड़कन भी सांसें भी बस कहता है तुमसे यही
only for you guys. That's right. Ladies and gents, one more time, bringing to you Rito Riba. Presenting to you the exclusive laser show.
And rocky mountains. They crossed the mighty seas, as wide as the eyes can see, and as far as the ears can hear. In the earliest wave, they finally reached the green and fertile lands of present-day Northeast India. After the discovery of this green land, the ancestors built a village of 1,000 households strong on the banks of Tonsui. A peaceful community, the Karbi, lived in these greenlands, which they called home. Through free community farming called the Jirkadan, the young and adults built a prosperous community full of love and harmony. Then came the invaders and headhunters who looted, slave raided, and disrupted the settlements of the Karbi. The new land demarcations of the conquerors forced the Karbi ancestors to disperse in all directions of present-day Northeast India. The ancestors could barely hold on to their own in their territories of Romkhan, Chintong, Amri, and Boimenri in the upland, and the Dumra region in the Ahom frontier. Then came the colonizers, the British Raj occupying territories, shaping their polity, and exploiting the land and its people. An epic journey of hope, fear and angst, commitment and perseverance hence began, leading to the creation of an autonomous district on 17th November 1951. History was thus created. Identity is hence recognized and unity is celebrated. The formation and recognition of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council stands testimony to the history of an epic journey. And we commemorate this historic day. We celebrate the moments that led to what is today.
Live for Sunidhi Chauhan, DJ Wale Babu, we had one song to be played so that everybody can dance together, right? Who wants to dance with me? One more time. One more time. DJ, can we play the music? Ready to dance with me? Sure? Are you sure? Everybody in the center, come on, thoda idhar aa jao. Bas, that's it. Ladies and gentlemen, can we all wave out to the man himself, Rito Riba! We're in love with you, my friend. Thank you so much. You were really amazing.
Thank you so much guys for coming. You know, पहले वो बोला था अभी बोले इतना बड़ा crowd के लिए कभी हम play नहीं किया था. And अभी I guess सुनीधि मैम का समय है. मैंने अपना songs complete भी नहीं किया था. फिर भी it's okay. Thank you guys. Love you.
We'll definitely want to see you come back one more time. Ladies and gentlemen, the name who started pursuing her passion of singing at the age of 5 and made her career debut at the age of 13, to winning the first reality show titled Meri Awaaz Suno. And ever since hum sab unki awaaz sun rahe hain. Uske baad came the song Ruki Ruki Si Hai Zindagi from the movie Mast, जिससे हम सब की जिंदगी मानो रुक सी गई. फिर होना क्या था, इस आवाज ने पूरे हिंदुस्तान में धूम मचा दिया. बीड़ी जलाइले से लेकर शीला की जवानी तक, कमली से लेकर पुष्पा झुकेगा नहीं साला तक, और मुंबई से लेके दीपू तक इस आवाज ने आप सबको कहने पे मजबूर कर दिया, क्या मुझसे शादी करोगी.
Don't look at me like that, boy. Chaliya, chaliya, chaliya. Ain't nobody got a body like, yeah, Sheila. My name is जद पत्थर राजा पिघलेगा, तद मैं कमली कहलावांगी, तद मैं कमली कहलावांगी. तुम सितारों का जानवर का तू यारा शब गुजरी ते जग सोया निम जगया नमीदानम मेरे मान्य सनम जानम किव करे नमीदानम शब गुजरी ते जग सोया निम जगया नमीदानम मेरे मान्य सनम जानम किव करे नमीदानम शब गुजरी ते जग सोया निम जगया नमीदानम निम कमली कमली 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 मेरे यार कमली कमली निम कमली 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 मेरे यार दी Kadom Karbi Anglong Messelama I am nailing a wrong pick to be here. Thank you so much for having me. I am so honored to be a part of this beautiful day, the annual Karbi Anglong Day celebration. I'm so happy. Thank you so much for having me once again. And without wasting any time, I'll move on to the next song. Are you ready to rock and roll with me? जागी सोई रहूं खोई खोई रहूं उसकी यादों में उसके ख्वाबों में क्योंकि crazy sexy lady on the floor. He's coming back from home. Sexy